Hey, what's going on, Crypto Warriors? It's the Crypto Machine, Johnny Diamond Hands. Got a quote for this evening. Ask yourself if what you're doing today is getting you closer to where you want to be tomorrow. With that being said, these miners are going bananas right now. These devs are going crazy. I don't know what's going on, but ever since Baked Beans and Ruby Mine and Cook Rice, I think this DEGEN weekend just turned into DEGEN week, DEGEN month. So anyway, you got Lucky Cat right here with an 8% daily return, 1% dev fee. It's on the BNB Binance network. Farmhouse is 7% daily return, 2% dev fee. It's on the Matic network, Polygon. And then you got Spooked Beans. Spooked Beans is a 8% daily return and 2% dev fee on the Phantom network. These things are scaring me, you guys. I don't know how long you guys been in the crypto, but I've been in it for a few years, and I'm gonna tell you right now, last year was horrible with rug pulls. Rug pull. It's like out of 10 projects, 8 of them rug pull. You know, are these gonna rug pull? I don't know. This Spooked Beans comes out in 14 hours. It's not even out yet. These other two, they look like they're out already. This is just. I'll put it out there for you DEGEN lovers that you like to take big risks. I'll put it out there, but I'm telling you right now, like I said before in my other video, if you can't be first, be better. But I mean, at least the dev fees are lower. But man, come on, man. These baked bean forks are just ridiculous right now. They're probably gonna come out with like 7 more of these this week. So what I'm saying is, I mean, you get to a point where you don't want to really put too much more money into these things because you don't know if you can trust the devs. You don't know if it's gonna last. You don't know if it's gonna get drained. You don't know if it's gonna rug pull. So I mean, that's what it is, taking risks, right? Do your own research, you know. Only put in what you're willing to lose, I guess, you know. But I look at this thing and I'm like, at this point, I'm going to push pause on some of these because what I'm waiting for is the piggy bank to come out. I'm waiting for Forex to launch that piggy bank. And once that, what I'm afraid of is once he launches piggy bank, these half or if not all of these things are going to rug and they're all going to dump their money in the piggy bank. I think that's what they're really getting ready for. I don't want to be the bad guy. I don't want to be the naysayer. I just hope that's not what it is, but that's what I'm thinking. So, hey, if you like this video and you like DEGEN plays like this, Spooked Beans and Farmhouse and Lucky Cat, if you like stuff like this, hit the like button, comment, hit that notification bell for upcoming content. And you guys have a good night. Don't get scared of this pumpkin. Peace.